This definitely isn't my normal type of content. This is a Harbor Freight grinder model 40432. The other day when I was shaping some grips, the end rubbed against my shorts and broke the shaft inside. So my initial thought was I will get 40 bucks, I'll go ahead and grab a new one. I've made thousands with this over the years, 40 bucks, doesn't matter. It's discontinued. So need to figure out how to fix it. I found this flexible shaft set on Amazon, and to replace it you just unscrew the shaft, and you see mine broke right here. I've got a 5/32 Allen key here, and the shaft, once you have it out, will just slide out. It's got a little keyed end with a key end here. The new shaft fits perfectly into this grinder. So I put the keyed end in and feed it down. Goes right in. And I'll put the new end on here. You want to put it not necessarily right up. Won't be any really issues if you put it right up, but I'll put it down just a little bit, about 3 millimeters or so. It's there. Then I will turn this until the keyed end gets in its place. There we go. Screw it back in. Tighten that up. And then you're good to go. Get back to work. I'm going to make sure I've got a few of these on hand at all times. And I've got the link in the description below. Thanks.